This video is about fixing a chair. But it's not really about fixing, it's about what it's like to be alive for a chair. After years of hoarding old furniture, my neighbor Max has a nearly perfect setup of wooden chairs. He's got the right kind of chairs, but he loves rocking on this one, even though it is not a rocking chair. And the problem is, when he wiggles on the chair, the back two legs hold the weight 4 legs should hold. And eventually, a leg breaks in a place excluding repair.
Yeah, it's much cheaper to replace than to fix, so we don't fix it. We let it fix itself.
When living wood gets damaged, it heals with resin. So now we give the chair the same option. Now we just have to make this drip and pour it out of resin. This new leg works perfectly. Which is why it sucks. It's stable. It's strong. It's exactly what it's supposed to be. But it's nothing more than that. It can't come back to life and work the same way. It must function differently. But function how?
Well, let's think. Max likes to rock on this chair, so what we need to do is make a resin drip that allows the chair to rock.
If we just make the leg with a bow in the end, it still can't rock because the other leg inhibits rocking. So instead what we can do is make the bowing 3D, essentially turning the leg into a spinning top.
Now let's test it.
Finally, we should put it back where we found it.